In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook tasks as a to-do list. If you want a simple way to keep track of your daily responsibilities inside Outlook, the to-do area is a great place to start. It's useful because you can quickly capture tasks as they come up and build a running list of things you need to get done, all without leaving the Outlook environment. To begin, open Outlook and go to the to-do section. This is where your task list lives. Once you're there, you'll see an area designed for adding new items to your list. If you use Outlook regularly for email and scheduling, keeping your tasks here can make your workflow feel much more organized, since everything is in one place. Next, click into the Add a Task field. This is where you'll type the item you want to remember or complete. Enter your to-do in clear, simple language so it's easy to understand later at a glance. For example, instead of typing something vague, try wording each task in a way that makes the next action obvious. That makes your list more practical and easier to work through when you're busy. After typing your task, press Enter. Outlook will immediately add that item to your to-do list. This is what makes the tool so convenient. You can quickly add one task after another without needing to open extra windows or go through a long setup process. If you want to add another to-do, just click back into the same task entry area, type the next item, and press Enter again. You can repeat this as many times as needed to build out your list. This is especially helpful if you're doing a quick brain dump of everything you need to handle for the day, the week, or an upcoming project. A good tip here is to add tasks as soon as you think of them. That way, you don't have to rely on memory, and your list becomes a trusted place to keep track of responsibilities. Keeping your tasks short and action-focused can also make it easier to scan your list and decide what to tackle first. That's all it takes to use Outlook tasks as a basic to-do list. Go to To-Do, type your task into the Add a Task field, and press Enter to save it. Then repeat the process for each new item you want to add. It's a fast, straightforward way to stay organized and keep your work moving forward.